Okay, so guys, if you want to reset your Windows 11 or Windows 10, this is the video you should look for. Because in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 without even losing your data. It's pretty simple, guys. What you have to do is you have to go to search and type here reset. Then when you type here reset, then you'll see a pop-up called reset this PC. Click on that. After you click on that, you'll see the getting started page here. So you just click on getting started. This is the same pop-up dialog box which will appear if you do it in Windows 11 also. So what you have to do is you have to select keep my files. This will keep your files but remove all the apps and settings. So guys, make sure you have the apps installed, and when you reset this Windows, then you have to reinstall those apps. So you just can take the screenshot of them. How you can take a screenshot of them is by going to add or remove programs. When you go to that, you'll see all the programs which are installed in your Windows. We can cancel it for a while. So yeah, as you can see, these are all the important softwares I have installed or apps I have installed. So what I have to do is I can just take a picture of them in my mobile phone so that I will not forget about any kind of application or software I am using. So yeah, that's it. And the files I'm talking about, you will have those files like the files in your desktop or your local disks. Anything which is your personal files will not be deleted, guys. So yeah, we'll just go to the reset this PC again. When we go to it, then we just click on get started. Then we'll select the option called keep my files. If you select remove everything, it will remove all your files. Click on keep my files, and as you can see, this will reset all the apps and settings which came with this PC. So yeah, guys, you can just change the settings from it. If you want to restore the pre-installed app which come with this PC, it will also get installed too. So if you don't want that, then you can just deselect this. I'll keep it selected, then I'll go to confirm, then next. As you can see, this is saying this won't take long, but maybe it will take some long depending upon your Windows, what kind of files you have. So yeah, you just have to see this box also. It will tell you, guys, which things will be resetted, like the settings will be resetted to defaults and your files will be kept, and Windows will be reinstalled in this device, which is the main reason I think you are doing this, because you want to reinstall the Windows. So yeah, it will remove all the applications and programs. So yeah, guys, as you can see, we can view the apps which will be uninstalled. As you can see, these are all the applications which will be uninstalled after I do that. So yeah, guys, it gives us all kind of information we need. So yeah, guys, we are okay with that. So we'll just go to reset. Now what it will do is it will just restart your PC and it will reinstall Windows, guys. As you know, we install Windows. So this is basically the reinstallation of Windows, guys. So as you can see, this is going to please wait. Then it will go do some steps, and after that, it will reset this PC, guys. So yeah, let me reset this PC and then I will come again. So as you guys can see, my PC is resetted completely. Now as you can see, this is looking like a new PC right now because the Windows is resetted. So guys, as you can see, this is like you installed a new Windows. So now you can see the programs. We don't have any kind of programs which were installed previously, but right now, guys, we have a new installation of Windows without even losing our personal data, guys. As you can see, this is the personal data and we have that right now too. So yeah, guys, nothing got deleted, but the thing which got deleted are the apps and the programs, guys. So yeah, guys, this is how you reset your PC, Windows 11 or Windows 10. Both can be resetted by this way. So yeah, guys, if you liked the video, then do subscribe this channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.